y'all, it's me, Emily. Today I'm making my Inanimate Insanity OC. Her name is Princess Me Phone 99999999999999999. Whoever sees her immediately falls in love with her. Oops, I need the arms, teehee. Every boy in Inanimate Insanity loves her. Pink is her favorite color. She hates me phone 4 because he stole her look.
Silence for a bit.
She loves me phone 4s. The contestants love her so much that they'll do anything for her. If you make her mad, she'll turn into her demon form and kill you. She is Cobb's favorite child, so he gave her a bracelet. She is the queen of the galaxies. Silver Spoon's ego shattered when he saw her, and instantly fell in love. She is very nice, but Yang believes her. She is half cat, half angel, half queen, half mephone, and half goddess. She is super powerful and can destroy you in 0.00000000000000000000000000000000001 seconds. She even fought the floor and won, but Mephone revived him. She doesn't tell anyone, but she is secretly emo. The only person she told was Mephone 4s because she loves him. Do not touch her tail, she will bite you and you die from her poison. She lulololosuvovavasov cookies. If you take them, she'll also kill you. She has a birthmark shaped like a heart. Just adding details. She has sharp nails because she is half cat. She is so talented she can sprint in heels. She has 99999999999999999 friends, but only actually likes Mifflin 4S. She can use magic. The sparkles in her eyes are actually stars.
I never want to draw this abomination again. This is a joke, by the way.
Anyways, that's my art. I hope you enjoyed.